Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the details of the best engine air filter for the 2014 Honda CR-V. If you're looking to optimize your vehicle's performance, this video is for you. This air filter is designed specifically for the 2014 Honda CR-V, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Let's explore why it's the top choice in the market. First off, let's talk about build quality. This air filter is crafted from high-quality materials that meet or exceed OEM specifications. It's engineered to provide exceptional filtration efficiency, ensuring that only clean air reaches your engine. The design incorporates advanced filtration technology, which not only traps dust and particles but also improves airflow. This is crucial for maintaining engine health and maximizing fuel efficiency. Now, let's delve into the performance benefits. By replacing your old air filter with this one, you'll experience improved acceleration and engine response. It's a cost-effective way to enhance your driving experience without breaking the bank. Drivers have reported noticeable differences in throttle response and smoother idling after installing this air filter. It's truly a must-have upgrade for any 2014 Honda CR-V owner looking to keep their engine running at its best. Installation is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes with basic tools. Simply locate your air filter housing, remove the old filter, and replace it with this new one. It's designed for DIY enthusiasts and automotive novices alike. Remember, regular air filter replacement is essential for maintaining engine longevity and efficiency. This product makes that maintenance task a breeze. In conclusion, the best 2014 Honda CR-V engine air filter isn't just about clean air, it's about optimizing your vehicle's performance and reliability. Whether you're commuting daily or embarking on a road trip, this air filter ensures your engine breathes easy. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques like this one. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the road ahead.